Replacing the backups lights on the Sonata. Here it is.
Hi, this is Clem here. I have a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, and there's a lot of videos on YouTube showing you how to take out the reverse lights on your Hyundai. That's these here. As you can see, I already changed mine to LEDs. But they have you taking this shroud off your trunk. And then some of them have you, well, I'll just show you the easy way to do it, okay? The easy way to do it, once you take the shroud off, all it is a bunch of little plastic screws that go around. I think there's 10 of them, okay? And some of them even show you taking these little bumpers off. These little bumpers, you don't have to take those off, okay? That's a waste of time. And some of them even have you taking this whole lens off. Okay, you don't have to do that either. All you gotta do is push on this and take the power off. Then you have enough room to get in here, unscrew this, take the bulb off and put a new bulb in it and screw it back on without having to take the whole lens off. You see? And then it's just a matter of putting this back on. Now once you put the shroud on, tell you right now, these little plastic buggers are a pain in the butt. This is the handle. It just goes in, just clips into those two little holes, and then you got a couple of screws to screw in. Yeah, these little plastic screws here are a pain in the butt. You gotta pull the head out a little bit so it's flush, so you can push this into the hole, and then you just turn the screw itself a half turn, and it locks it in. But they're a pain in the butt. There, we got the underneath all back in. Like I said, you don't have to take these bumpers off. All you have to do is take these plastic screws off. I think there's 10 of them altogether. And then once you're in there, you just unplug the power from the two lights, and you can pull the socket right out and put another one right in. You do not have to take the lens off. This is for 2011 to 2019 Hyundai Sonata. It should be all about the same thing. Do not take the lens off. You do not have to. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.